Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Lucidchart in Google Slides. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Lucidchart with Google Slides is an excellent way to enhance presentations with professional diagrams and visuals. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the diagram that you wanted to integrate or use in Google Slides. If you haven't already, just click the new button, wherein you can start from scratch by clicking the blank document or create from a template to save us time. You can choose from any of the following templates: from Agile, brainstorming, processes, meetings, planning, research, teamwork, systems, education, partner, and a lot more. Now, in this case, we're going to choose a presentation. All right, maybe slide or slide deck. Let's click on slides for now. So we're gonna use something like it requires a premium. Let's look for something like maybe a very easy thing to do. Presentation. All right, so we have that. Click on it, and then maybe let's look for something with a very easy presentation platform. Let's use the storyboard for now. Click on preview to make sure that this template will make it easy to provide a high-level view of our project. All right, so we can use it to map out scenes of a story and presentation. Click the use template. We will be forwarded to the diagram builder, wherein we can customize a lot of information here along the way before we can integrate it seamlessly to Google Slides. Now, once it's loaded, you would notice that you have the capability to edit the title right here, and we can add some more dynamic elements along the way by going to the left side panel of our dashboard. Click the images, and we're going to drop an image here. Once it's loaded, we're gonna put something like this right here. I'm gonna select a different color for our background, maybe something that resembles the Google Slides. Now, once you're happy with this, all right, click the file, just click on save for now. I want you to hover to the presentation builder, which is gonna be this section right here. If you click that, you would be forwarded to the presentation builders. Now here, click add a new slides because it doesn't have any slides yet. If you do that, this marker indicates the first slide that you are going to use in the presentation. So in our case, I'm going to be using this one. Click the add a new slide. So the marker indicates something like here. All right, so with that, we can add a new slide. And this time, we're going to be hovering around here to make it a bit bigger so it can encompasses all the slides that I wanted. And the fourth slide is going to be something like this. I'm going to make sure that everything is covered right here. No one is missed. So now the next option is you have the section that says send to Google Slides. Click on it. Now from here, all I have to do, Lucidchart needs permission to access Google Slides in order to export this presentation. Click OK to give Lucidchart permission. Click that. And there's going to be a small pop-up window. All I have to do is click the continue to give access and permissions. Wait for it to load. And then I'm going to click on select all. Wait for it. Generating Google Slides presentation. This may take us several times. Now, if you want to view the Google Slides presentation, click this button right here. You would be forwarded to that. So now we are here in the Google Slides. All right. So you can ask for a brand new modern templates where you can use. All right. You can start to obviously make it a little bit dynamic. Go to the section right here, make it bold, choose a different maybe a different color. This one is going to be that, maybe let's underline. Let's choose another different font style maybe. It's kind of limited, but there we go. Now I want you to click the slideshow button. Let's see what we got from here. All right. Now from here, As you can see, you can notice that Lucidchart provides customizable templates and design tools for creating high-quality visuals, maintaining consistent branding by using the Lucidchart's design options, including custom colors, logo, and styles. And from here, if you want to exit, click the exit button. You can add speaker notes right here if you want. All right. On this section, there's going to be 4 dots wherein you can choose from a grid view. You can zoom it and zoom out. You can add a background if you want. For example, you can choose an image. You can choose from a webcam, link photos, Google Drive, and Google Image. We're going to use something like this that best represents our brand and logo. All right, click on done and add to a theme right here. So from here, you see Lucidchart diagrams can be directly inserted into Google Slide through the add-on experience. How? Go to the extensions right here, click the add-ons, get the add-ons. Now, all we have to do is type in on the search apps Lucidchart or press enter. Let's see what we got. You would notice if you click on the Lucidchart, if it's not installed, you would have an option to see that click install here. And all I have to do is click on install. And then you also have an option to the add extension. Go to the manage add-ons later, and you would be able to utilize the Lucidchart here in Google Slides. Now, doing all of these, you can have the option to import data from sources like Google Sheets into Lucidchart to create charts, graphs, and of course, process diagrams that make data easier to understand. You can keep your slides up to date with the latest data by linking diagrams to external data sources. Once you are happy with this, all right, want to make sure that you make a copy, entire presentation, or selected slides. You have that, all right? So from here, you can share it to your client, to your team members, and make a copy, or you can download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint, OGP document, PDF, plain text, JPEG, PNG image, or even a scalable vector graphics or SVG. Now, again, you have the option to share it to your client or to any of your team members, especially helpful if you are part of an organization or if you're working with multiple freelancers. When you work your team in Lucidchart to build diagrams, collaboratively, you can embed this into Google Slides for presentations. All right, click on the Anyone Will Think and click on Saving. Click on Done. And then you can always switch back to your Lucidchart to make some adjustments, because you can also highlight important aspects of your presentations with concise and clear visuals. All right, click the present slides. And basically, that's how you use Lucidchart and Google Slides. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.